Jobs AI will replace in 5 years. The rapid advancement of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation technologies is reshaping the landscape of the job market. Over the next 5 years, we can anticipate significant transformations in various industries as AI continues to mature and become more integrated into our daily lives. While AI promises increased efficiency, productivity, and innovation, it also raises concerns about job displacement. The inexorable progress of artificial intelligence, AI, and automation technologies continues to reshape the landscape of the job market, setting the stage for profound transformations in the coming 5 years. This period is poised to witness the integration of AI into various industries, propelling an era characterized by enhanced efficiency, heightened productivity, and unprecedented innovation. Yet, this wave of technological advancement simultaneously ushers in a significant conundrum: the displacement of human workers from their traditional roles. As AI matures and evolves, it is crucial to discern which occupations are most susceptible to automation and, subsequently, job displacement. This article embarks on a comprehensive exploration of 10 specific job categories that face a high likelihood of being supplanted by AI-driven automation within the near future. Data entry clerks, the automation of mundane data handling. Among the vocations most vulnerable to AI-induced obsolescence are data entry clerks, professionals who have long been entrusted with the painstaking task of manually inputting and organizing data. The advent of AI-powered algorithms and cutting-edge data extraction tools has catapulted the automation of this meticulous endeavor. These algorithms, equipped with machine learning capabilities, exhibit an impressive acumen for scanning, extracting, and categorizing data with unparalleled speed and precision. Consequently, the previously labor-intensive role of data entry clerks stands on precarious ground, facing the inexorable encroachment of automation. Telemarketers, chatbots, and virtual agents seize the helm. Telemarketing, a profession steeped in the monotony of repetitive phone calls and scripted conversations, is already undergoing a transformative shift. The introduction of AI-driven chatbots and virtual agents, armed with natural language processing capabilities, has proven to be a formidable contender in the realm of customer engagement. These AI entities adeptly field inquiries, respond to customer queries, and in some cases, even execute transactions, all with a level of efficiency that threatens the traditional telemarketing model. As such, telemarketers, who have long manned the phones and dialed scripts, find their roles progressively marginalized by AI-driven automation. Retail cashiers. Automated checkout transforms retail. The retail sector is experiencing a seismic shift, catalyzed by the proliferation of self-checkout kiosks and AI-infused payment systems. These automated checkout processes, driven by AI algorithms, RFID technology, and computer vision, are redefining the shopping experience. They provide customers with seamless, self-directed checkout options, diminishing the necessity for human cashiers. While some human cashiers may still be retained for customer assistance and troubleshooting, their ranks are poised for a substantial reduction as AI-driven automation dominates the retail landscape. Toll booth operators. Automated toll collection gains momentum. The role of toll booth operators, once emblematic of manual toll collection at roadways and bridges, is in the throes of obsolescence as automated toll collection systems rise to prominence. These systems leverage advanced technologies, such as radio frequency identification (RFID) and license plate recognition, to facilitate swift and contactless toll payment. Drivers can now seamlessly pass through toll booths without the need for human operators, signifying a notable paradigm shift in toll collection methods. Administrative assistants. AI-powered virtual aids redefine office dynamics. In the domain of administrative support, AI-driven virtual assistants and scheduling tools are assuming increasingly pivotal roles. These virtual entities, fortified by natural language processing and machine learning capabilities, exhibit remarkable competence in managing appointments, organizing emails, and executing an array of administrative tasks. As they continue to evolve, their proficiency expands, diminishing the traditional reliance on human administrative assistance, particularly for the execution of routine and repetitive administrative functions. Data analysts, the augmentation of human analytical expertise. Data analysis, a field regarded as indispensable in the contemporary era of data-driven decision-making, stands at an inflection point. While the demand for data analysis remains unwavering, the role itself is poised for transformation. rather than outright replacement by AI technologies. AI-driven data analysis tools and machine learning algorithms empower analysts with augmented analytical capabilities, streamlining the process of data interpretation, pattern recognition, and insight generation. Consequently, data analysts are poised to transition from laborious data processing to more value-added activities, harnessing AI as a formidable ally in their analytical endeavors. Customer service representatives, AI-powered chatbots, enhance customer interactions. Customer service representatives, long considered the human face of businesses, are witnessing a paradigm shift in their roles. AI-powered chatbots and virtual agents have emerged as formidable contenders in customer interactions. These AI entities possess the ability to engage with customers in natural language, provide answers to queries, offer troubleshooting assistance, and even facilitate transactions. Their 24/7 availability and capacity to handle a high volume of inquiries position them as efficient alternatives to human customer service representatives, particularly in handling routine and frequently asked questions. Factory workers. Automation revolutionizes manufacturing. The manufacturing industry has been on a relentless trajectory toward automation for years, and this trend shows no sign of abating. AI-driven robots and automated systems have become increasingly sophisticated, capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from assembly and quality control to material handling and logistics. While some human oversight and specialized roles will remain essential, the reliance on human labor for routine, repetitive tasks on factory floors is diminishing as AI-driven automation gains prominence. Accountants and bookkeepers. AI streamlines financial analysis. The realm of financial analysis, traditionally entrusted to accountants and bookkeepers, is experiencing a transformation driven by AI technologies. AI-powered software can perform tasks such as data entry, financial record management, and even basic financial analysis with remarkable precision. This automation is poised to augment the roles of accountants and bookkeepers, enabling them to focus on strategic financial planning, complex analyses, and advisory services, while AI handles routine financial tasks. Truck and delivery drivers. Autonomous vehicles redefine transportation. The advent of autonomous vehicles, including self-driving trucks and delivery drones, is reshaping the transportation and logistics sector. While complete autonomy may take more than 5 years to fully materialize, AI-driven technology is already augmenting the roles of truck and delivery drivers. Features such as automated route planning, adaptive cruise control, and collision avoidance systems are becoming increasingly prevalent, enhancing safety and efficiency. Over time, as autonomous technologies mature, a shift towards self-driving vehicles could significantly impact the need for human drivers. The inexorable advance of AI and automation technologies is poised to usher in transformative changes across various industries, redefining the employment landscape in the coming 5 years. While AI holds the promise of increased efficiency, productivity, and innovation, its potential for job displacement cannot be ignored. As these 10 job categories face the imminent encroachment of AI-driven automation, the workforce must adapt and evolve, embracing reskilling, upskilling, and the cultivation of uniquely human skills that complement AI and automation. The future of work in the age of AI hinges on our ability to navigate this transformation and harness the full potential of these transformative technologies. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.